Teachers of Colombia protested on Wednesday against the deficiencies in healthcare services amidst a pandemic that puts the educational community at risk. The school workers affirmed that neither the Ministry of Education nor the Ministry of Health have set up the right infrastructure to ensure on-site classes. From Bogotá, our correspondent Hernán Tobar has a report.
Teachers in Bogotá staged a sit-down demanding guarantees for the conduction of on-site classes. They claim to lack the health conditions or biosecurity protocols necessary to receive the students in the educational institution.
The necropolitics of the national government and the district authorities force schools to admit students in any way regardless of other safety. That's why today we see these massive surges of infections. The medical entities can't handle the amount of PCR tests or the quarantine certificates. They can see to all of the requests of the teachers and are forcing COVID-positive cases to attend public quarters.
Natalia is a teacher in a rural area near Bogotá. She told us that she engages in educational activities because the conditions of these facilities are limited. They don't have a staff to oversee all of the students and are overflowed when it comes to their range of attention. Many of Natalia's co-workers are quarantined due to infection, which is why they ask for new strategies for the gradual return to on-site classes.
We have never refused to work on site, but we know now is not a good time for having 100% of students in classrooms. Children want to hug their friends, share, take off their face masks, and speak among each other, and that is increasing infections because it is impossible to keep them calm and tell them not to hug each other or get near one another or socialize the way they are used to. If they were a bit older, maybe it would be easier to avoid these situations.
Teachers denounce that neither the national government nor the district authorities have given a response to their claims on these issues. They say that their healthcare provider doesn't tend to their requests in a timely manner, as delays occur frequently without any consideration whatsoever of the consequences that this has for the educational community amidst the pandemic.
This puts many lives at risk, which means that today in Bogotá we have over 10,000 teachers with COVID. Today, those are 10,000. Multiply that by the number of students and parents, that is a real massacre in terms of rights to housing safety and life. That's why we are here.
The teachers collected an array of written complaints on the deficiencies in healthcare services, for which they will be present at the health direction and the healthcare providers' headquarters. They intend to make their voices be heard so the lives of students and teachers in Colombia are respected, and they will make noise for as long as the much needed measures are to apply both in the health system and schools around the country.